Welcome to KSRI's Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 9th November 2021. UNESCO picks Srinagar as Creative City. So, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is a specialized agency under United Nations, and it has 193 member countries and 11 associates. So, its headquarters is located in Paris. అండ్ యునెస్కో సైన్సెస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇంకా కల్చర్ ద్వారా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ పీస్ని బిల్డ్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ పిక్ శ్రీనగర్ among 49 cities as part of the Creative City Network under the Crafts and Folk Arts category. So, Crafts and Folk Arts category కింద శ్రీనగర్ని Creative City Network లోకి యునెస్కో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసుకుంది. And the inclusion is likely to pave way for the city to represent its handicrafts on the global stage through UNESCO. So, ఇప్పుడు శ్రీనగర్ దాని handicraftsని యునెస్కో ద్వారా గ్లోబల్ లెవెల్లో like it can proclaim. The network involves folk art, media, film, literature, design, gastronomy, and media arts. So, ippati varaku Jaipur in the year 2015 and Varanasi and Chennai in the years 2015 and 17 respectively have so far been recognized as members of UNESCO's City Creative Network for Creative Cities. Regional national security advisors to hold talks in Afghanistan. So our national security advisor, Ajit Doval, is going to chair a meeting, a Delhi Regional Security Dialogue, in order to discuss the situation in Afghanistan, which will also have NSAs from Russia, Iran, and other 5 Central Asian countries. So Pakistan and China invitation declined chesai, and also no invitation was sent to Taliban or former leaders. And all the countries participating in the dialogue haven't legally recognized Taliban regime yet, but any countries have a common perception that Pakistan is one of the sources of the problems in Afghanistan, with a serious credibility gap between its intentions and actions. 19 Zika cases in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi 2 on alert. So Zika, it is a mosquito-borne disease. And it is mainly transmitted by Aedes mosquito, especially Aedes aegyptis. And it was first identified in monkeys in Uganda in the year 1947. And later human could identify in the year 1952. So with symptoms of fever, rashes, conjunctivitis, muscle pain, etc. And so Uttar Pradesh 90 Zika cases identified and Delhi is on alert too. Government officials to be trained in handling disability issues. So government functionaries from ASHA and Anganwadi workers at the grassroots level to senior officers and MPs at the national level will soon be trained and sensitized regarding central sector schemes and facilities for persons with disabilities. So, grassroots level నుంచి national level వరకు health sector లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయిన అందరి ప్రాక్టీషనర్స్ కి డిజబిలిటీస్ తో అసోసియేట్ అయిన పీపుల్ కి సెంట్రల్ సెక్టర్ స్కీమ్స్ ఇంకా ఫెసిలిటీస్ గురించి ఎడ్యుకేట్ ఇంకా ట్రైన్ చేస్తారు. And the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, which comes under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, will be releasing 5 training modules, which will be again different for categories of government officials. And the Rehabilitation Council of India would be the nodal agency to coordinate the training sessions. So, training sessions ki the Rehabilitation Council of India would be the nodal agency, and government departments, schools, colleges, health and allied professionals, ASHA workers, and Anganwadi workers, they will all be trained through 700 training colleges. India now ahead of China in financial inclusion metrics. So what is financial inclusion? So financial inclusion, it ensures that all people get access to financial services, and everyone, including vulnerable and weaker sections of the society, they get adequate and timely credit whenever needed at affordable prices. So India ఇప్పుడు financial inclusion metrics లో చైనా కంటే ముందుంది, with mobile and internet banking transactions rising to 13,615 per thousand adults in 2020 from 183 in 2015, and number of banking branches kuda it rose to 14.7 per 1 lakh adults in 2020, which was 13.6 in 2015. And this is higher than Germany, China, South Africa, as per the report. Thank you.